Hey everyone, welcome back to the Doba YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the top 7 mistakes that every beginner dropshipper must avoid. I'll be sharing practical and actionable tips to ensure you stay on the right path. Plus, stick around for some free tools and a special surprise gift at the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our dropshipping tips and updates. The first mistake is starting with sky-high expectations. We've all scrolled through social media, seeing those stunning dropshipping success stories with mind-blowing numbers. It makes it seem like you'll be earning tons of cash in your very first month. But here's a critical reality check. Industry experts estimate that the success rate for dropshipping e-commerce stores is only about 10% to 20%. This means that out of every 100 businesses using platforms like Shopify for dropshipping, only 10 to 20 succeed. If you're new to dropshipping, remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It requires commitment, persistence, and a lot of learning before you start seeing rewards. When you're starting out in dropshipping, research is crucial. It helps you get a handle on the market and spot potential issues before they become big problems. But here's the catch. There's a fine line between thorough research and overanalysis. Many beginners fall into the trap of analysis paralysis, where you get so caught up in researching and overthinking that you never actually take action. This is a well-documented issue in both psychology and business management. For instance, Barry Schwartz's book, The Paradox of Choice, Why More is Less, dives into how having too many choices can overwhelm you and lead to inaction. Focus on actionable insights rather than getting lost in data. For example, utilizing tools that offer curated market insights can streamline your research process. Features like Doba's top ranking and premium suppliers can provide valuable guidance, helping you find the best products and suppliers efficiently, so you avoid getting bogged down in overanalysis. One of the biggest mistakes dropshippers make is choosing the wrong products. The ease of importing products with no upfront cost might make it tempting to pick items without much thought. You might end up choosing products just because they're cheap, they're popular, the profit margins look good, the images are attractive, shipping is free. While these factors do matter, they're not the whole story. You need to go beyond the basics and choose products that have a strong wow factor or offer real practical value. The wow factor is what makes a product instantly grab attention. Think of innovative gadgets or unique items that people can't resist. On the flip side, practical products solve everyday problems or make life easier, like smart home devices or time-saving tools. Also, tapping into your personal interests can help you find niche products that truly resonate with your audience. To simplify the process of finding those winning products, consider using Doba. Doba is a comprehensive dropshipping platform that provides tools and insights to help you make smart product choices. One of its standout features is the Top Ranking tool, which offers up-to-date market insights and showcases top-selling products. With daily updates on the top sellers, most popular items, and hot picks, you'll have access to real-time data that helps you stay ahead of market trends and make informed decisions. I'll drop a link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Plus, Doba integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like TikTok, Shopify, eBay, and Amazon, making inventory management and order fulfillment a breeze. Once you find a product you want to sell, simply click List to Store to add it directly to your online shop. And here's the best part. Doba offers a 14-day free trial. Just drop a comment with Dropshipping Simplified below, and we'll send you the link to start your free trial. Don't miss out on this chance to streamline your dropshipping business. A common mistake new dropshippers make is setting unrealistically short shipping times in a bid to attract customers. But when your shipping times don't align with what your suppliers can actually deliver, you risk a flood of unhappy customers. In fact, a staggering 96% of online shoppers say that a positive delivery experience makes them more likely to shop with the same retailer again. On the other hand, delays and unmet delivery expectations can lead to a high volume of refund requests, negative reviews, and damage to your store's reputation. Instead of guessing or promising the fastest delivery possible, take the time to communicate with your suppliers to understand their realistic shipping times. Then, Build in a safe margin when advertising these times to your customers. This approach ensures customer satisfaction and boosts repeat business, which is crucial since returning customers have a 60 to 70% chance of making another purchase, compared to just 5 to 20% for new customers. Finding a reliable supplier is absolutely crucial. Since you're not physically handling the products or managing the shipping, your whole business relies on your supplier's ability to deliver. Here are some common supplier issues to watch out for. Wrong product, slow processing, poor quality. These supplier issues can be more than just a nuisance. You're left to handle the fallout, dealing with angry customers, managing returns, and dealing with the hit to your hard-earned reputation. Negative reviews can spread quickly, and before you know it, your brand loyalty might be in jeopardy. In the competitive e-commerce landscape, especially in dropshipping, your relationship with suppliers is the backbone of your success. So, make sure you choose your suppliers wisely and keep communication open to maintain a smooth operation. Your dropshipping business needs a solid marketing plan to stand out from the crowd. It's not enough to just throw up a promotion or create a couple of ads and hope for the best. Think of your marketing strategy as your game plan. It's about understanding the problem you're solving and mapping out a clear path to tackle it. Here's how to build a robust marketing strategy. Identify the problem. What specific issue are you solving for your customers? For instance, are you addressing a common pain point or providing a unique solution? Create a buyer persona. Who is your ideal customer? Develop a detailed profile, including demographics, interests, and purchasing behavior. Build a marketing funnel. How will you guide potential customers from discovering your store to making a purchase? Outline the steps and strategies you'll use to nurture leads and convert them into buyers. A well-thought-out strategy will not only help you attract the right audience, but also convert them into loyal customers. A lot of new dropshippers throw in the towel after just a few months of no sales. But here's a reality check. Amazon took 9 years to become profitable. Dropshipping is no different. But here's the silver lining. You don't need a fortune to succeed. You just need patience and smart marketing. If your budget is tight, start by blogging about your products. If you're short on time, you can hire a ghostwriter or use AI tools like ChatGPT to create content for you. The key is to keep going. Remember, dropshipping is a marathon, not a sprint. Set small, realistic goals and gradually increase them as you grow. Expect ups and downs, stay the course, and the results will follow. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips and insights on growing your dropshipping business. And remember, if you want to get started with a free trial, drop a comment below to grab your link. Got any questions or want to share your own dropshipping experiences? Leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Happy dropshipping!